We'll guide you through how to create a text box in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Once you're in the main window, look for the text tool in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. It looks like a capital A. Click on that icon. Now move your cursor to the area on your canvas where you want the text box to appear. Click and drag to create a box to the size you want. You'll see a blinking cursor appear inside the box, which means you're ready to start typing your text. Go ahead and type whatever you need in there. If you want to adjust the font size or style, look up to the top of the screen where you'll see the text and font menu. Click on that to open a dialog where you can pick any font you like, adjust the size, or even change the style like making it bold or italic. You can also adjust the color by selecting the text and clicking on the color palette at the bottom of the window. If you want to move the text box around, switch to the select tool, which looks like an arrow, and then click and drag your text box to reposition it. You can resize it as needed by clicking and dragging the corners of the box, and that's how you create a text box to reposition it. You can resize it as needed by clicking and dragging the corners of the box, and that's how you create a text box in Inkscape. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.